go to the palace again. They pray for him, then come back to abroad. After 2 months, God now went to God Seki's body. Honor went to his body and soul. Honor moved him. Honor went, go and demolish this hotel. 1 year Magbegbera, 2 years in Magbegbera. Wa listing. Almost was that here, nobody will come to a circus party. Nobody is going to come in. Escota ni afini. Ona di, ona muere gboto. Aweti sage. Oye ginjere re. Ye use. Awaso asere. Almost we was so wani ye keviro wa gbeg. Adwa simi ye kevivo bomozo. Awu gbeme ni ye kevi ebeba ovigbo ye kevi kabiele age kevina ovigbo magbi ye kevi veri obe no mozo ya gbi ye kevi cause of erere no mu gboto ve 2023 we here we 40 years ya ta mugwana waoge adwoni fogere sagena ojo ima ati try ni mo picture ni ladia awo para yo na gbe 50 kobo boss your face yala we iwe na gie sagin kwa erere ya we sagin no ke ya la javi we ga ni ke na wa bleed yerere amagi ye drip flush na flush amagi ye injection hin na hin eya o se o mozo na ye me social media o ma pege de no ye you po ye kiare ya be China wa we so kereso o ma pege because that bleeding no mu gbotoni esage yerugwerere o ma ke to ya pe o do gbisoke why 40 years ago ga ya ga shi belebele a chi proporo erugwe na esage giwo amaye GP flush amaye injection washing na wash we gwa to tana wa sekia e social media adware Pinocchio wen mukia we gwa sekia udoge kia ekia wa ye na okiogo. On your way, Didi. Thank you so much, Lizzie. On your way, Didi. If you have no megua, wagi. On your way, Didi. We got me a piston or a lad. Oh, ye tinny. Oh, my bad, no pomena ni ladia. We got me a kia mozo. We got me a kia. Because all day, West Quarter, oh, my queen, not berry. Amanyi jecho wash erere isa geni na onju wegbe also na se dia sa wa meta gbeso wa be la hun na wa be sekia o wa be zemi me o wa be sekia ene kia no se no wi ya wa ge dede na ibi ro pare ba ame ya wo wari le period o wari a period dire thank you so much we se jere bi o wari ya mere Awere de demi ame munu awere ya mi ame bakara ollo osile muko ya no ye keviwe no ya wo wi gbon no ya wo wi Ghana no ya wo wi Senegal omozo pa igwa bile ya yugbe wa igwari wi ye keviwe wari ame lele eika ye keviwe okay I want to like monoposiness sorry mati mo konoma Mati mo konoma eva ya ni saga ni egbe ya mo wo wa ni saga ma oye kevi go wi ovibu oya ewo mo ovi onyara oya ewo mo onyo oyin beibe oya ewo mo ovi onyamiri oya ewo mo ovi onyamiri uti omo ba umati nekwe kia umati nekwo mo enoge vivie va yotona salo ori enora yotona salo ori etio salo wa be oba ye nora ebi okpi aba because ita mere go kpi agi biena we ye piri uyezuo ekenu we ye midiaba ana do vio mene yoto ana sale ya yoto we yereba maeti bi okpa keka we iwa ya una uyama wo ko nyara uyama woko nyara numuna ujovyo ovyo goja uyawe mo iye monitor kebite me more era ya wera from goja keri Oviu goja uya ewomo. Ujoviu goja uya ewomo. Umaeti nekwe kio nawe omonume frakomozo wabie. Omonume nwe. Ibeti wo menwe. Because uwe nwe. We mugboto. Desagi on jini. We makwena ye jipi guwe flushe. Una waserere ni ya. Una ya mwiki afari Facebook. Una ya akbu are dide. Ovyo nyara uya kinyowe. Ovyo nyoshu ya kinyowe. Ovyo nyi beribe uya kinyowe. Thank you, Sister Osas. Ovyo nyara ya kinyowe. Ovyo nyi beribe. Amazwa ya kinyowe. Ovyo nyoshi. Oya. Ya we get. Ovyo nyoshi ya kinyowe. I know what to talk because what they my mouth. You know, if I go party, I always lose my voice. What are we going on? I'm still living with a man since 25 years, 24 years. Madam Blue. We mabi okpanamu odafu wodote ne gbogbo ma we social media. I turn na ma part 1 and 2. I turn na ma part 1 and 2. I turn na ma part 1 and 2. Odafu we SJ nogi. Odafu we Madam Blue. Owe osie owa muwero na wasanu we na wasaki ayo yi. Eko na eti wo osio dafu we. Oviwe Omokpanu ve bien ya wa a single mother with stupidity. A birthday no over there. I wait 21 years old, but omu where you talk wa. Without not even spending a mat, without not even putting floor. Ona wa muwe you talk. Ona wa nyashe Madam Blue. Is here. Yes, your dafo. Your dafo no worry mo. Let me show them. I'm showing them something. Where's your phone?
So I'm trying to
Madam Blue. We no we aya gbi me. Ugwe pe mi me no ri manu. Na saga ke we aya vi. Ugwe na ya ugwe vi geskeshe. Uri ebedo waru we fona. Era ya nya putu we. Awe tu ugwe ori esilo. Egi ageba ugwe ede ya no ragbon ore mi ugwe ni yaje awe tu ewe gi nyaga egi ageba o awe boy ri o wene ola you bibi lock o ye kana ku we for Madam Blue your this today with me here they load everything come give me for WhatsApp uwo go be no ata socket abon era ti abon oti abon eruwa uwe be ni wera me ri iga wera me ko we no mo we ko Peri me wajena me swari omone. Ibi me aya win abana. Me win up the best abi go kedito tai. Oni na ta we enjoy the fruit of our labor. We enjoy pa bo bovi gwena. We enjoy bo be no mosisi we Nigeria. We enjoy bo be no ko wa bielele odo yakya. Odo na wa be ku fa wa ku. O be degbe be mo be la wa. The monu gwa give life in a video. Which example you dey show people for social media, for your platform, for your TikTok platform? Which example you dey give them? Madam Blue. No dawe na ye blue gwa bed bere. Na be mo blue light yo bere. No dawe. E na ye blue gwa bed. Na be mo blue light yo. Madam Blue. We say two we na be the two we je. Egi me blue yo na revenu ya fu ede 56 years old woman oye born in Morocco with social media. Hopeless woman, hopeless mother, useless woman. Okona waye beti yagi agbeya. Power tag to this video, people. My people, power tag. Ekuna re power tag, but kuna re gbele gift jove. Et Madame Blue, là oui, mieux, no man, you're pas no contribute to the society, do. Doga mweme no lama na tare obeti ya do analyze e Morocco ni yesi ba yen analyze e Morocco igwa asie odo lugu e avigo gwa lugu e vekwa eri mi gi se va gbo eri mi gi se va gbo o igwa sa Morocco ni mobo yegi blo igogo lunu we wa aga kharai igogo wa veva wokia do gwimegu wo ma gbera gbijwe but ugbiri we ugboda fun oda fun we gbo wa sun we de we ro wa ije ni mo negret ije ni mo abadon il me m'avait abandonné. Last time I check, if Isoken m'avait abandonné Isoken, mais vivons baroua. Last time I check, il y a Madame Blue, il y a abandonné Italie, il y a mis qui a connaissé où Italie, il y a waré et best friend dans Sonia or what that thing for. It got back at time with them. One lady came out on TikTok. It was saying it last time. I'll go and even bring the video. Where I was my best friend, okay? Only now time I know that thing ya win. Eh, Madame Blue, ya wanna walk and I test the kiani. Test the microphone, test the prick. Venu, if nege ya dame, thank you for the gift to SJ no give. If nege ya dame, my people, okuna veno basha wo se wo Italy. No gia ese from one man to man, from another man to man, from another man to man. Na back and yak and ye, we gage panty, we gaki. I want with Snapchat, I'm working on Moseyo, I want the way to our blue jo, I'm on a given Muya Bulukoshi, when they white a day, you know, you have what baba. Oh, he shashi. Iye mbose ijuba mbose seye wani we ko gbidigbidi but eko no mo laja wo one wife wewo for me the reverend father the reverend Sunday owe no pa no pare Mr. Osaya Dobio no pare Mr. Evans no pare Mr. Joseph no pare wo pa Madame Blue etu we were here amami no mu we jowa we giwe awara kara wa we gwe ike ya ragmo ya ga lo ya kara we asie Morocco ga luwo ni savait quoi we igogo na rive quoi we vonisa igogo ga tuwe kwa ya ga tuwe buebu useless woman abandon we o sabwa gegbije veri yori bi me o sabwa gegbije veri ai wa ye beti aya nyi egbe ya agegberi ya Sonia do zenye lile asun wagbon ije na show good example ni have social media good example Ucho Joyce, thank you so much. Good example keka Ucho ni have media na I will give your pa ye 1 point give your pa na wa copy or give your pa not dey reasonable not liarary the media wait 3 years you said you are in 3 years on your social media you said you are in 3 years in TikTok why you 3 don't know you 3 years in the man where you happy why you go make more your comment why wait 3 years in now okona the man where you happy to hear the part we pay school fees oh we're not you last time I check here when you were cutting up billion ya wopa tana wa agbele to ya wo vie Madame Blue na wa agbele ita me di mo fi na so wa aya gwa le boy na ri enu pe no ya yoko oko straight to oko except ya constitution except ya agbele via do in Nigeria except ya agbele via do those state that boy supposed to go and stay in oko there yo ri ele ye dori na there yo uri ele ye dori Derio Urio viwani no gbelivia dowa no gbeliya for wapa uri ele ye dori ije nuisance ọmọ náà bí nuisance ije máa jẹ ọmọ máa mọ ije yẹyẹ ọmọ hòhò ije sì morocco ọmọ tiftif ije òwà ọmọ kìlìkìlì àgbẹ̀ o ìmọ̀mọ́ is your children doing well? We know you have a children. Is your children doing well in this life? If you were if you were deviniaking, don't tell occupation is working, don't tell your plan is working, don't tell me the working. Ọmọ náà bí ọ òfìfẹ́ náà ìnọ́pà òfìfẹ́ náà ìnínà òfìfẹ́ náà ìnọ́pà wẹ̀ don't tell me if you working. Ọmọ ẹ lágbọ̀n fọ́nà gàrúwà o. Mada blue or ikpe green have buju have mo green ju have green ma be mu jase o ka bi amore dijo o de gbe ari e yellow ehu emu o pe ana ma wa bi na e mada blue wa ri la jo ngbe o ni be do ladian o be do ya go in platform mama we give any mada blue ya wo si is that not a big slap you be do agwo magwo you be do ati o ma ti e bono no ma ti you e ni atota you wodun ebo mama ebo mabo when only le black ma black bla ma bla ebo mabo ebe cappuccino eba de café o ya muladia ebo na mi papa jiro o ya muladia we on ebo we uru ebo we no e lashisi we do tai we ebo na e we ke mi ave ke ya ba akara ya akara as longer can come Go put water.
She's 1 hour now.
Okay, I'm coming. Go and check. Put milk and bring it down. I put egg in this thing. If I boil egg in the egg, yo. My ear tea. When the water make away, the water time. I see 7 hours have away. I can do it. Oh well, what Isoken cannot do it does not exist. I can chest it and I can do it. You are so stupid. What a dirty woman, dirty pig, a lot mother, a lot prostitute woman, slap hair woman. So whenever we are here, slap her. You are slapping. Oh, no, give what the part 1 and 2. Oh, no, give what the part 1 and 2. Oh, no, give what the part 1 and 2. Shameless mother. You got my sister. You may wake baby when I say Morocco and I do a value. My mother cannot try that. You may all die. You may only Morocco. Ewe por wena me na iji me ka biaro o ma joge ya se Morocco oge wewe bo stay yegire we bo yen di ya gba oge money e biele. She went back home ona ya tota in Nigeria were we bo wa ju we se Morocco wa isi wunu Morocco do agbe go wakara wo agwo mago aye pa ne ya avie ya agai shameless mother. Likompu mother, dead mother, foolish mother, foolish Madam Blue mother. Anyway, Tigbe, you are a useless mama, a big boy, shameless woman. Oh, I'm a mother by stupidity. Mother no one of Morocco, no see me, no see we social media. Unu yari black. Aya big man. Kena na ke yage ba kolosia we tosi ya wo wa sine we oge Napoli €1 ya we 1 euro. Why ga hook money den of yojo Eri na o die ni debi no ma. Eri mani ezi mategbe ezi ebi no ruwe egbe we ya ge oma. Ezi mani woro egbe. Because wo mwebona ebu ko we wa karawe. O agbe o. Ovi undan. Ovi na mae. When you say ni rabana, your father ama o evopa. Ena be ma ya se evopa. Your father is a low life. O agbe o. And agboma where we not do away TikTok. A dignity women that understand the women that matters, a big women. Can't you see the people I take picture that do video with? They are getting here maybe Nigeria. They all go more everywhere. They all go to Nigeria. January have a Sebana they buy ticket home. We buy January to December. Kenana and Madam Blue. One and a dwa. Buy Kenujere. Ye Jamie can whoever there. Now we do work here. 21 years old boy. We get sketchy. I see any Ibiaka part 1 or 2. I see any Ibiaka part 1 or 2. I see any Ibiaka part 1 or 2. Stupid woman. If I don't have a near, if I don't have dear, people that does not even know you. We were even talking there. Even the last time I checked, it was 3 weeks ago. It was this month. Because we are ended this month. Now I end there. Very nana. And now 31st in our say Martina. And next when I first of September. Oh, 1 hour baby. It's not 3 weeks ago. And I was inside TikTok in our school here. In our day when we birthday. If I have a view, maybe I have a view. I went there, I gifted her. In a comment, I gifted her. Owokerame o, owokerima o, edimofi wenti ogebana, owokerame o, e video ni yarima. Owokerame o, when I gift her, she always shout, owokerame o. Now somebody that does not even near you, backbone no sugbo, my egg bokpa, my family okpa, he may with there, he let it talk, and that's why I'm your companion with blue hair shoe. Iyogama ana mi o anagba elele wezi o eni awori rile lo mata ona wale le discuss o the TikTok ore o do tu o wa si gbone thank you so much o wa si gbone DJ Wisdom o wona wa si e Madam Blue wa si gbone enu e wale letter wa ewe o iwara kara enine o te o sigboyo igogo ala kara ladia wa sun wa gbon oligbo o wa sigbone even when time whatever my even e no deje o avoma do veyawa ogwoba 56 years old woman 56 years old woman wa gbegi yeke wa gbegi we wa gbe o Mary Betty wa be total ipe mo I can spend day break here every day. My children can take off themselves. Even if you are happy, I will see stand up, I will see help them. Only my disturb me a live broadcast nigga if you know boto. Oh, wagbon. Iwa we yan waya gbagba chawo e ga gbe ara o ya lewe bu agbe ara o dere na oni le 6 feet na owu ya gbon ne ari aro pe mo were waya lewe bu e go pa wo pa na yogama wo pa na Madam Blue wo pa gbon mama yogama no mo ko begere eru ya chita ye gesi no violence eri begere the punishment we give na ni yogama you know ya chitage guess again the point you see how God paid is paid back. You see how God pay you back. The way you treat those girls that you were using to hustling, you put them in hustling grant in Italy. You were telling all those girls to go and be hustle and be giving you money. You were treating them by using this mortar, all this baby that we used to do pando you were using that mortar to beat all those girls. How you treat them those days, that is the punishment that you are facing today. Orie God, orie to, orie po, orie men we go gonna be yekin oyi. If yekin mi ove ya bae, orie mi rokpa, ekyopa gwerudo. Anowe iga ya de boroko e negwa igwa de rap ne yoto ni aya to give social media. Is that a good mother? Is that a good mother behave? Is that a good mother behave, my people? Fear no way. Wa sun we de ni wero wa. We sun wu ne e moment we yian. E me to bien. Wa ti mo be fun yan agbe bojo won. Wa ti mo be fun yan agbe bojo won. Ma mo pa no zeto jo ameze. Ma ti mo pa la webo. Ya ge no mure na. Toko no mure na. Tiri father, tiri papa, single mother, tiri papa. No ve go na no ve go ve discussion na. O ve wo we fo aban itu ni mewe. O ve ko we no ko ni fo aban. Ba mo ni ve we lo gbin. Ayo onyimewe no magba onyimewe no ya owa onyimewe no ya gbe yeke onyimewe lagbo maya ma bo Italy agbo agele mawe pe na gele ije no ma oviu gwani no duare geskeshe e paso we are Italy ama we to taye e dia do awe si go moda e paso we are Italy. Wow. Thank you, my people. I want to go and make food for my kids. Thank you. I will say come back to life later. Bye for now. All the gift that gift me, God will bless you all. My God will enrich your pocket. Thank you for now.